These are all of the books that I have in this shelf. Really quick, my sister, she wrote 2 books. Hi everyone, so my name is Elizabeth and the types of videos I normally create are lifestyle videos. So for a while now I've been wanting to get rid of a lot of books, and like by getting rid of I meant like donating and like selling some books as well, because right now I have so many books. So I'm going to grab all the books that I have in every corner and I'm going to put it in one spot, because I also want to like redecorate as well. I don't know what this was, but yes, I want to redecorate as well. It's hot. I think I'm gonna change my shirt first. Okay, so I changed my shirt, but excuse the lighting. I can't control that. I was trying to find a wider angle that shows everything, but without the light, and I can't find a way. Oh, before I begin, I just remembered my sister's books. So really quick, my sister, she wrote 2 books and they're called Jaguar Warriors, the Forgotten series. This was book 2, this was book 1. Target audience is for 18 and older. So if you're not 18 and older, just ignore this part of the video. But yes, if you're 18 and older, I would recommend these 2 books. So far this is the progress. These are all of the books that I have in this shelf right here. This is it. Okay, so real quick, for this section, my goal is to have like a few mangas. Originally, I wanted like 3 or 4 series, but like I have so many now. I'm like, no, this is too much. This is too much. Can't get up. So these are all my books that I own. Holy cow, there's more in the bag hidden. Okay, so now I'm just gonna sit down, I don't know where, probably here, and I'm gonna start looking through them and see which one I like and which one I don't like. Okay, so I have 2 bags, one for donation, one to sell. I don't remember which one's which, but yeah, this is a lot of books. Jeez. Before I start, I want to show you how this thing looks. So empty. I try to block the light that's like shining here. The I love how it says proper romance. But yes, The Lady and the Highwayman. Love this book, especially because the main character's name is Elizabeth. So this one makes me happy. So I'm gonna keep this one. Ooh, this book, Only Ashes Remain and Not Even Bones. Oh my god, the first 2 are amazing. So good. And I have this 3rd one somewhere here. So I'm keeping those 2. Off to a great start. And then Serpent and Dove. Love this book too. I don't remember, but I remember like feeling like so like in shock, and like there's a lot of woman power to this, and so I'm gonna keep it. I do have the 2nd one somewhere in this pile. So I'm gonna put it together with this one. The Sacrifice Box. Okay, so I haven't read this one, but I do want to start reading like horror stories, so I'm gonna keep it. But I'm gonna put it like somewhere out so I can see it, because it's like really, I thought it was bumpy. I want to start reading horror stories, but it's hidden, so I'm gonna put it somewhere that I can see it. Sorcery of Thorns. So this was a good book. I love the fact that the main character, her name was also Elizabeth, so would recommend this book. It was nice. I don't think I'm ever gonna read it. If I ever do it, I could rent it, you know? But like, honestly, I'm not gonna read it. Oh, finally. I like this book. Well, okay, so the reason why I want to keep it is so I could look back at it. But also, if I ever want to get like some pick-me-up, I can look it up on YouTube or TikTok, you know? And like look at some inspirational video. I don't know. Okay, I think no. I think I'm gonna donate it. Hopefully someone gets it that likes it, you know? I'm gonna donate it. I'm gonna see if my sister wants it. Not my younger sister, my older sister, who wrote these 2 books. Okay, so I have this because I'm currently reading this book. So good. But I have this little flappy cover because I'm currently reading the book right now. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. All right, so next one is Ruined. I remember liking this book a lot. And I remember there's like a second and third, and I know I'm not gonna buy it anytime soon. Emilia Flores. Oh, Flores has nothing. Her home has been ruined. She and her sister's bad. Oh, that sounds interesting. But I'm not gonna buy the second and third one because there are other books that I'm like want to buy more of. So this one I'm going to donate. So this one, you guys, I recommend this book. So good. It's a spy book with like female empowerment. Read this one. I'm 100% sure you can get it at your library. Get it, read it. It's so good. Dressed to Kill. Like, come on now. Oh, I like this one. Hello, Sunshine. It's about a girl who's becoming an actress, and it's so beautiful. I read it. It's nice. I'm gonna keep it. Lux by Jennifer L. Armentrout. Love this book. Still haven't finished the second and third one because I don't want the series to ever end, but I'm gonna keep it. How should my sister's book be?
It should be like this.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one
we're gonna talk about each and every book.
Yeah?
All these books you're gonna talk about?
Okay, well, I guess not. Okay, so now it's quiet again. Everyone left, and let's just keep going. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit because my sister did mention like it might get a little bit long and boring, so we're gonna fast forward that. Okay, so I still need all these mangas left, so we're just gonna keep going. Ooh, I love this book. I'm so happy that there's a new show that there's a new show of this one, Tokyo Mew Mew. I'm gonna keep that one, that's a keep for sure. And then Sailor Moon. I have like volume 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I still need to collect all the other ones, but there's like so many of them. So yes, these bring me joy. I love them. Oh, and Sailor V. I'm so happy I have these two mangas. And then this, oh, no, not this one. This one, the omnibus of Cardcaptor Sakura. It's so hard to find 2, 3, and 4, volume 2, 3, and 4. Like the ones that's online, it's like 300, no, not 300, like 50, 60 bucks. I'm not gonna pay for that. And so yeah, when I find it like cheaper price, I'm gonna purchase it. But yes, I currently just have one volume. I'm waiting for the other ones to be cheaper so I can, you know, buy it and collect them. I like collecting mangas because I like having the set there, you know. And then My Next Life as a Villainous side story, Girls Patch. I like how this manga is like bigger than the rest, you know, like it's pretty big. And I like the side stories. They're cute. I like them. Oh, Magical Miracle, such an interesting story, and I love her fashion. It was really nice. Oh my god, so many. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna speed this up now. This is a maybe. Okay, so my battery's about to die. So yeah, I'm gonna charge it and then we'll come back. Okay, so here's the process of what I have so far. These are the books I put on my shelf. These two, these as well. And I'm still working on this one and that section right there. And I still need a few more books. So yeah, not too bad. This is what I have so far. And as you saw in the previous clip, that's how much I have left. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm finally done with organizing everything and I'm getting rid of a lot of books, and ooh, that was very therapeutic because I'm like, ooh, I feel like I could breathe a lot better now. But yes, okay, so I'm gonna show you like the overview of everything. I explained just like quickly how I set it up and everything like that, and show you the books I'm gonna get rid of, sell, donate. Starting off from the top here, here are all the books that I haven't read and I want to read. Also, the books that I have read, and oh, that's not in order. I'm gonna fix that later. I have read and it's my favorite, so like this one and these, they're my favorite, so I want to keep it there. And my favorite part, this. I wanted like a few books and I got it down to 2, which is so amazing. I'm so happy. I used to have it like all the way up here. I was like, oh, too much, very overwhelming. And then right here are all the books I have. There's a few that I haven't read, a few that I have read. Like I've read this one, but not this one. I've read these 2. I've read these 2, but not these. You know, a few books that I've read and haven't read. And then here are all the mangas. I've read every single one of these. But yeah, I did get rid of a few mangas as well. It looks nice. I'm so happy. And right here, I'm so happy that I moved around some books. I don't know if you remembered, like a couple of clips ago, like the books were up to here and I was like, this is too much. So yeah, I moved them around and I moved some of them here, as you can see. And like, look, there's actually like space. That's so amazing. I know I'm gonna fill it up soon, but whatever, it's okay. And there's like no books here, which I'm so happy. It looks a lot more open. And right here, it's mostly all the books that I've read. Like I've read all these. I'm currently reading this one. I've read this one. And then here on up here, I haven't read, or like I started and I didn't finish it. So yes, it's so much cleaner. I'm so happy. Okay everyone, so these are all the books I'm gonna donate, sell. So yeah, here's like an overview of all of the books, and it was kind of hard because I would be like, I really want to read this, but then I've had it for so many years and I don't think I'm gonna read it because there's other books that I want to read even more, you know? So yes, it was a little bit of a challenge, but my sister kind of sort of helped me out. I mostly like did it for myself. Like I looked at it, I'm like, it's okay. And there's some books that I liked it. I read it and I was like, this is a nice book. I want someone to enjoy it as well, you know? So yes, here are all the books, like I mentioned the 3rd time. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.